Hello and welcome to the tutorial 3 of how to build a style component library. In this tutorial, we will initial global style set in style components for Storybook. If you would like to try it out yourself, we have a GitHub branch for you to start. Check it out at information below. To start, we will create an initial style in common package. There are a few popular global styles to choose from. What they do is set up a unified style between different browsers. The most popular one is Normalize. Personally, I found out it has some unnecessary settings like this margin 0.67 EM for the H1. So I prefer the other one called Reset CSS, which is just set things to 0 or 1 or empty. So in this tutorial, we'll use reset style as an example, and you can pick normalize if you want to. Go to the common package. Since we'll need to use CSS from style components, we'll install the style components as dependency for common. Now we have a style component installed. We'll create a reset section in common package. So for the reset, new file, index.js. Index.js, we import CSS from style components, and then we export reset equals CSS, and we are going to copy the CSS code from reset CSS. Okay, that's reset. And now in the common.js, in the common package in the index.js, we can export everything from reset. Okay, the common package is sorted. Now we need to consume this newly created reset in Storybook with the global style. To create a global style, you need to, as recommended, to use create global style from style component, and this the documents. We just follow the guide and do it from there. So we will need create style global. We will also need the reset from common package. So set, and then we can create a global style with create global style And then the global style, just consume the reset and pass this in the host command function. Style, close that. That should work. So we go to the storybook. Refresh. You will see all the extra space is gone, and reset is actually in its place. The render is updated. That is how we can initial global style in style components. Thank you for watching, and feel free to ask me questions in the comment section below.